Theme parks, in my opinion, are the leading example of how one or many people's creative input and storytelling can come to life, and where you can place yourself within a story and experience it differently than you could a movie or TV show. The best way theme parks show off these skills and creativity is through many of the rides you see throughout every park you go to. And in this series, we're going to pick apart every ride that I've ever been on and give it a review. So without further ado, this is my ride review. The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man is a motion-based 3D dark ride that opened up in Islands of Adventure, Orlando in the year 1999. Based on one of the flagship Marvel characters, Spider-Man, the attraction is a hybrid ride combining special roving motion vehicles with 3D projection, elaborate physical sets, and both practical and tactile effects. During this experience, park guests are turned into last-minute reporters of the Daily Bugle under the purview of the news mogul J. Jonah Jameson. And after boarding a vehicle known as the Scoop, the riders learn that the Sinister Syndicate has captured the Statue of Liberty with an anti-gravity gun. This evil group is made of 5 famous Spider-Man villains: Dr. Octopus, Scream, Electro, Hydro Man, and the Hobgoblin. And it is up to Spider-Man to defeat the villains and save the guests. This attraction took 3 years to produce, with a cacophony of new technologies and techniques being developed. The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man received critical acclaim, winning several awards, including the Golden Ticket Award for Best Dark Ride for 12 consecutive years. The original concept for the ride, however, was planned as an Omnimover ride system with 3D effects combined with 4D elements. But in lieu of a better ride system, they opted away from the Omnimover transport system to a EMV capable of 6 degrees of freedom: heave, sway, surge, yaw, pitch, and roll. These ride vehicles were co-developed between Universal Creative and Oceaneering International, and they are mounted to a track-roaming platform that provides the forward motion to move the vehicle through each show scene, while the yaw motor and attached Stewart platform allow the vehicle to move 360 degrees at different angles along the track. Now that we've been through that brief ride overview, let's get into the review portion. There's a reason The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man has won first place at the Golden Ticket Awards for Best Dark Ride for 12 years in a row, from its opening in 1999 through 2010, with its subsequent years being placed in either second or third. Its complex and amazingly creative way of displaying its story and beautifully crafted show scenes, along with its well-planned out interactions between both its 3D animation and stunning practical effects, produce a vivid and immersive experience for every rider on the Scoop, and leave you in awe throughout the entirety of the ride's duration. Characters like Dr. Octopus, Hydro Man, Electro, and especially our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man are displayed in spectacular fashion, and it feels as if they're pulled straight from a Golden Age issue of The Amazing Spider-Man by way of beautifully crafted 3D animation and elite-level voice acting for each and every character we see on screen. This ride showcases Universal's unique and creative skills of being able to bring our favorite stories and other forms of media to life, and captures what it really feels like to be dropped into one of these beloved worlds that we've come to know and love. All of this paired with the masterfully executed craftsmanship of the ride vehicle, with its erratic and sudden sways and shakes and swings, alongside its well thought out and placed ride track layout that brings you up close and personal with the Sinister Syndicate, puts together a truly amazing adventure with your favorite web slinger. Practical effects like when the Hobgoblin tosses his pumpkin bombs and it careens into a building, causing a ball of fire to combust in clear view of the Scoop and its passengers, when you're blasted by Doc Ock's anti-gravity gun and you rise above the city skyline, or when Hydro Man reaches downward at you and you're doused in water, all do their jobs at immersing you in the scene wonderfully. This ride will always be high on my list as one of, if not the best dark ride of all time, and for that reason I will be giving it a 5 out of 5 on my scale. But hey, let me know how you feel about this ride in the comments section down below and what you would score it. And if you like this review, maybe give it a like and subscribe for more reviews, POVs, and general theme park content like this. Thank you so much, I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful day.